Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn about different positions like in and out, high and low. Now observe the picture carefully and listen the story. A crow was very thirsty and flying in search of water. There he saw a pot near the well. The crow tries to drink water, but the water level is too low. The crow sees some pebbles out of the pot on the ground. It picks some pebbles and throws in the pot. Now the level of water is high. The crow drinks water and fly away. I hope you like this story. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.